Redmi Turbo 3 is confirmed to launch in China in the near future, and the company's first smartphone in the Turbo lineup has now been spotted in leaked images. Tipster Fixed Focus Digital, translated from Chinese, shared a hands-on image of the purported Redmi Turbo 3 as well as two renders showing the rear panel of the upcoming smartphone. The company is yet to reveal the smartphone specifications, but the leaked pictures suggest that it will sport a triple rear camera setup. According to GSM Arena, the rear camera 200 megapixel camera setup will be led by a 200 megapixel primary camera, with optical image stabilization (OIS). The phone will also represent an specified secondary camera as well as a macro camera that is located in the middle. Meanwhile, the tipster shared two renders of the purported Redmi Turbo 3 in white and black colorways, showing the same design as the phone seen in the hands-on image. The leaked renders also indicate that the phone's rear panel curves into the right and left side of the phone. A few days ago, a company executive confirmed the Chinese smartphone maker's plans to launch a new smartphone called the Redmi Turbo 3. Expected to arrive as the successor to the Redmi Note 12 Turbo in China as part of a new smartphone series, the Redmi Turbo 3 is codenamed Little Tornado, translated from Chinese.